What's going on, everybody? So I got something extra special to offer today. So I've had just over 100 people sign up for the Elite Credit Repair for the month of December, and they only paid $50. So today is the 28th, I believe. So from the time this video is posted until midnight, December 31st, anybody that signs up for the Elite Credit Repair will pay absolutely nothing to get started. That means $0 out of pocket to get started, just so I can show y'all what to do, because remember, it's not always about the money, but it is always about my clients and making them happy and getting them the results that they want and they deserve. So I'll leave a link in the video description, the live chat, as well as the comment section with the direct link to sign up. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.